Hey guys, so this side Vikram, and I'm gonna help all the permanent makeup artists to grow their business more and more. So let's start. So we're gonna the first step will be the website development. We will develop a beautiful website. Some of the options are here in front of you. You can check Miss Pro Beauty. You can check Rose Bros Microblading or Lux Beauty. Okay, or Lash Extension. Like this is Amlashes. So you can select from these websites. Uh, after completing the website, uh, you can. This is the tool from which I am gonna analyze that which keyword we should work and how we should uh, bring customers to our website now. So let's analyze. Let's find out the words which our customers type on Google. So let's suppose you have taken a microblading course. Okay, so I'm gonna type near me because it is highly typed. Yes, microblading near me. Yeah, its search volume is so much. Oh, it's so high. So yeah, we can target these type of words: microblading near me, microblading eyebrow near me, best microblading near me, microblading class. No, that's microblading no training course. If you are starting a business of like providing the courses as well, then you can target these keywords. And if you want to provide the services, then you can target these keywords. So anything whichever you want. This is the CPC, basically cost per click. So this tool tells us like how much cost per click for this word. If we This is nearly a roughly assumption. It can be 1.5 or $2 or $1. It depends upon your customer and your competitors how much they are investing, right? So after analyzing this, we can like create the Google Ads account and hire any good SEO agency so that they could work and bring ranking on our most important keywords. And ultimately, on our website, right target audience will come up. So this uh, goes with Google marketing, like persons type the right targeted, which we know are keywords, and then we can start marketing right from there. Okay. So first one is SEO, brings organic traffic to us, and second one is Google Ads. And after bringing some traffic from Google, we can like let's suppose Mr. X visited our website and consume our content, and does it fill our call to actions, which is call button or booking form, then we will target them from Facebook. The same happens with you when you use Amazon, and the same product which you hovered on Amazon, like shoe or a top or dresses, then the same product uh, like pops up on your Facebook and Instagram. So the same thing will happen with your students or customers as well. They will see your company ads on their Facebook. So this happens, and this is the three-step process which every permanent makeup artist should follow. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Uh, Thank you. Have a nice day.